bouncy banana. Just gonna do half. Hey, so I have a new microphone. So I'm trying it out. So I'm not quite sure how everything is going to sound, but thank you for sticking with me. We're trying a few new things, and I feel very proud that I was able to set this up. So cheers! You're stupid, Millie. Okay. So I like how everything tastes balanced. I think using half of the banana was great. I think it adds a really nice layer of sweetness that I think when comparing it to a cinnamon roll, because it's a cinnamon roll smoothie, I think when you're comparing the banana to the flavor of a cinnamon roll, I think that would be the icing part. The banana also gives it a really nice, thick, kind of creamy texture. At least I think it's the banana doing that. I'm gonna tell y'all it is. The banana, to me, gives it a really nice, thick, creamy texture without being dense, which is nice. The cinnamon and the nutmeg, of course, I think they complement each other perfectly. That part is very cinnamon rolly. See that in there? Cinnamon roll. And then, of course, you know, the protein powder makes it taste really nice, vanilla, and I think if I had to equate that part to the cinnamon roll, maybe that would be like the dough. And so then, when it comes to the oats, I think the oats would be the only thing that I have critique about. I would say make sure they're really nice and ground. I don't think I ground my oats like really finely. I just have these little teeny little like oat pebbles. They're not quite flakes, but little bumps of oats. No, that would be the only critique. Is just to make sure, you know, for me, when I'm drinking something, I don't like to taste chunks. I don't like to taste anything other than the smooth liquid of the drink caressing my throat. So I don't like chunks of anything in my drink. I know what I like. And of course, I can't forget the nutritional yeast. I think the nutritional yeast is amazing. I can't even taste it. And of course, that's an extra boost of protein in case anyone is wondering where vegans get their protein from. So what do you think? Do you like the recipe? Leave a comment down below if you tried this recipe and let me know your thoughts. Does it taste like a cinnamon roll? If you want to become a member of the Flawed family, all you have to do is subscribe and click that little notification bell. That way you